Stop paying for 10 different AI subscriptions every single month. If you are tired of juggling ChatGPT, Canva, and 11 Labs just to run your business, then listen up. Today, I am showing you a way to replace all of those expensive tools with one single dashboard. We are looking at a brand new system that is disrupting the content creation space, and if you stay until the end, I will show you how to turn this into a full-time agency income. My honest first impression of Crafttech AI, it is an absolute game changer for efficiency. It is essentially a Swiss Army knife for marketers. While most tools do one thing well, this gives you 300 different AI functions in one spot. For $17, it is a complete no-brainer just for the cost savings alone. So what exactly is Crafttech AI? It is an all-in-one AI content and creative engine. It is designed specifically for affiliate marketers, freelancers, and agency owners who need to produce high-quality assets fast. Whether you need a video for TikTok, a sales page for a product, or a professional voiceover, this tool handles it. It solves the biggest problem we all face: tool fatigue and high monthly overhead. You no longer need to be a prompt engineer or a tech wizard to get professional results. When you log into the Crafttech AI dashboard, you will see how clean everything is. Step 1 is simply picking your tool from the sidebar. You have categories for content writing, video creation, graphic design, and even SEO. For example, if you want to create a video, you just select the video tool, enter your topic, and let the proprietary AI generate the scenes and audio for you. If you need a logo, you jump into the branding section. Everything is unified. There are no APIs to connect and no external accounts to pay for. You generate the asset, edit it slightly if needed, and download it. It is built for speed, allowing you to go from an idea to a finished product in about 3 minutes.
Let me ask you something important. What if you could run a full-fledged AI content and creative agency without buying expensive tools, without learning complicated software, and without hiring writers, designers, or editors? What if one system could help you create and sell content, ads, videos, graphics, logos, voiceovers, landing pages, and every marketing asset businesses pay for in minutes? If that sounds interesting, keep watching. Right now, most people trying to use AI are stuck. They buy ChatGPT for writing, Canva for designs, a video tool for Reels, a voice tool for audio, an SEO tool, and maybe a few automation tools. They're paying hundreds of dollars every month and still struggling to create consistent content, deliver client-ready assets, or turn AI into real income. AI feels powerful, but messy. And here's the painful part. Businesses are desperate for content right now. They need blogs, ads, videos, social posts, graphics, landing pages, and every marketing asset businesses pay for. And they're willing to pay $500, $1,000, even $2,000 per month to someone who can deliver. But most people miss this opportunity, not because they lack skills, but because they lack a system. That's exactly why Crafttech AI was built, not as another AI tool, but as the only AI content and creative agency suite you'll ever need. Introducing Crafttech AI, the all-in-one AI content and creative agency suite that lets you create and sell stunning content, ads, videos, graphics, logos, voiceovers, landing pages, and marketing assets in minutes, all tailored to your tone, style, and brand personality. No more buying expensive tools, no more API costs, no more learning curve, no more hiring expensive teams. One dashboard, one system, unlimited possibilities. With Crafttech AI, you can instantly create high-quality written content, blogs, articles, sales copy, emails, scroll-stopping videos, reels, shorts, ads, explainers, professional graphics, social posts, banners, brand creatives, logos and brand assets without designers, voiceovers and audio for videos, ads, podcasts, landing pages and marketing copy ready to convert. And the best part? All of this runs on Crafttech AI's own proprietary AI engine, so you don't need ChatGPT, Canva, Jasper, 11 Labs, or any other tool. Using Crafttech AI is ridiculously simple. Step 1, log in to one clean dashboard. Everything is already set up for you. Step 2, choose what you want to create. Content, video, design, ads, SEO, it's all inside. Step 3, generate, deliver, or sell. Use it for your business or sell it as a service. That's how AI turns into income. This is where Crafttech AI becomes powerful. You can use it to offer services like content writing, social media management, video creation, ad creatives, branding and design, SEO content. Just a few clients paying monthly can easily become a six-figure agency. No team, no overhead, no subscriptions, just results. And now you might be wondering, okay, but what exactly do I get inside Crafttech AI? Let me break it down. Simply, you get AI writing tools for content, copy, emails, scripts, AI video tools for reels, ads, and explainers, AI audio tools for voiceovers and narration, AI image and design tools for graphics, logos, and branding, AI SEO tools to create content Google actually loves, AI automation and chatbots for leads and support, social media and ad creation tools for every major platform. And yes, you also get a commercial license. That means you can sell everything you create and keep 100% of the profits. So instead of managing 10 different tools, 10 subscriptions, 10 workflows, you get one AI-powered agency suite, one login, one system, unlimited services. And when you grab Crafttech AI today, you also unlock game-changing bonuses designed to help you deliver faster, scale easier, and increase your profits at no extra cost. Now let's talk value. If you tried to build this setup yourself, you'd easily spend $300 to $700 every single month. But today, you get lifetime access to Crafttech AI for a one-time launch price of just $17. No monthly fees, no limits, commercial license included, and you're fully protected. Try Crafttech AI for 30 full days. If it doesn't save you time, help you create faster, or open new income opportunities, you get your money back, no questions asked. But don't wait, this is a limited time launch offer. If you don't act now, you'll go back to juggling tools, paying subscriptions, and missing clients, while others build profitable AI-powered agencies with one simple system. If you're ready to stop buying expensive tools, stop learning complex systems, and start creating and selling content like a pro, click the button below now and get instant access to Crafttech AI. I'll see you inside.
Now let's talk about the upgrades because they add a lot of power. The front end gives you the commercial license for $17. OTO1 is the unlimited version for $37. This is the one I recommend because it removes all usage caps. OTO2 is the max version at $47, which unlocks higher quality 4K renders. OTO3 is the done-for-you package for $47, which gives you pre-made templates. There's also an automation upgrade for $67 and an agency license for $127 if you want to manage clients. Finally, the reseller license is $147, letting you sell this entire system as your own. If you pick up Crafttech AI through the link in the description, I have put together an exclusive bonus stock here at AppVerdict to make sure you succeed. First, you get the Keyword Research Ninja 2.0 to find the most profitable terms for your AI content. Second is the Backlinks Warrior software to help your new articles rank on Google. Third, I am including the Article Analyzer to ensure your AI content is perfectly optimized. Fourth is the Client Extractor, which helps you find local businesses ready to pay for these services. Fifth, you get the Lead Book Generator for high-level lead capture. Sixth is WP Swift Page to make sure your sites load lightning fast. Seventh is Pin Marketer to automate your Pinterest traffic. Eighth is the Video Biz in a Box to help you build a video-based empire. Ninth is the Instagram Auto Poster for hands-free social growth. And 10th, I am giving you the 10K ClickFunnels case study so you can see how to scale to 5 figures. All these bonuses are waiting for you in the members area when you join through my link. The bottom line is this: Crafttech AI is the most cost-effective way to scale your digital business in 2026. However, this one-time price of $17 is part of a limited launch. The price increases every few hours. Plus, my exclusive bonus stack is only available for the first 25 people who click the link below. Once those slots are gone, the bonuses disappear forever. Do not get stuck paying hundreds in monthly fees when you can lock in lifetime access today. Thanks for watching my review on App Verdict. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns. To claim your bonuses, simply click the link in the description, complete your purchase, and your bonus pack will be delivered automatically inside your receipt area. Go click that link now, and I will see you in the next video.